Hey everyone! Welcome to this video where you will learn English, feel motivated, and build powerful habits all at the same time. Yes, this video is made specially for you to help you learn simple English in an easy and natural way. While listening, you will understand how to speak, how to pronounce words, and how to build good sentences. And the best part? You will also learn life-changing habits that can really help you grow and become your best version. So today, you will not only improve your life, but you will also improve your English. Double benefit! Let's start now. Just think, can you really change your life in just 1 week? Seriously, can you really become the person you always dreamed of in just 7 days? Sounds impossible, right? Even I thought the same. But when I tried these 5 simple habits, my life started changing very fast. And don't worry, this is not a boring lecture. These are small things you can start from today. And you don't have to do anything big, just small, easy changes. So if you also want to become your next level version and learn English with me, watch this video till the end. The last habit will completely surprise you and change your thinking. Ready? Let's begin. Habit 1. Waking up early, even if you hate mornings. I'll be honest, I was never a morning person. I loved my bed. I used to hit the snooze button again and again. Every morning, I was always in a rush. It felt like my day was starting in the wrong way. But one day, I took a challenge to wake up at 5 a.m. The first few days were super hard. It felt impossible. But on the 3rd day, I felt something different. The morning peace touched my heart. It felt like I found a secret time zone of the world. I got extra time. I did some light exercise, went for a small walk, and started my day in peace. One morning, I was watching the sunrise from my balcony. No plan, no rush. In that moment, I felt truly happy and grateful. I understood the real magic of waking up early. I know that 5 a.m. is not possible for everyone. Just try waking up 15 minutes earlier. You will feel the difference. It's not about having more time. It's about starting your day your own way. English tip. Snooze button, the button we press to delay the alarm. In a rush, when you are in a hurry.
Habit 2. Daily movement. Move your body every day. I always made excuses. I'll start tomorrow. I'm tired. I don't have time. But I made a simple promise to myself. Every day, I will move my body for some time. I started small, just 20 minutes. Sometimes jogging, sometimes yoga, sometimes dancing. In the beginning, my body was in pain. But after the 4th day, I started feeling more energy. My mood became better. I became less irritated. And those 20 minutes became my favorite part of the day. One day I was jogging. The air was cool. The streets were empty. I felt deeply connected to myself. Later, I tried yoga. I used to think yoga is boring, but I found so much peace in it. Exercise is not just for weight loss or building muscles. It is self-care. You need to find your own way to move. Dance, walk, or do some simple stretching. Start small, but start. Your body and your mind both will thank you. English tip. Excuse. A reason we give to avoid doing something. Irritated. Feeling angry or upset. Habit 3. Journaling. Writing to yourself. At first, I thought journaling was only for perfect people or people with extra free time. But I said, let's try this for just 1 week. I took a simple notebook, nothing fancy, no pressure. I just started writing whatever was in my mind. On the first day, I didn't know what to write. I simply wrote, how was my day? What made me happy? What made me sad?
Slowly, I started writing about my goals, my fears, my problems. I started understanding myself better. One day, I wrote about my office stress, and after writing, I felt light and relaxed. I also started writing a gratitude list. Every day, I wrote 3 things I was thankful for. This changed my mindset completely. One time when a stranger helped me while shopping, I wrote about it. That small moment became very special to me. Journaling is like free therapy. No one will judge you. You don't need perfect English or perfect handwriting. Just write what's in your heart. English tip. Gratitude. Feeling thankful for something. Stranger. A person you don't know. Habit 4. Mindful eating. Eating with full attention. I used to eat very fast while watching my phone or YouTube without tasting my food properly. Then I decided to try mindful eating. No phone, no distraction, just me and my food. In the beginning, it felt strange, but I made my table nice. I sat quietly and I ate slowly. And you know what? When you eat with full attention, food tastes amazing. One day I was eating oatmeal. Normally I never noticed its taste, but that day I felt its sweetness, its texture, everything. I realized I used to overeat because I ate too fast. When I started eating slowly, I could feel when I was really full. I also learned when I was truly hungry and when I was just eating because I was bored or stressed. One night after dinner, I wanted something sweet. I asked myself, am I really hungry? I realized I was not. So I just had a warm cup of herbal tea, and it felt perfect. Mindful eating gave me a healthy relationship with food. It's not a diet. It's a beautiful habit that can change your life. English tip. Distraction. Something that takes away your focus. Overeat. Eating more food than you need. Habit 5. 10 minutes of daily silence. Give rest to your mind. This was the habit I never thought I needed, but it changed everything. We spend our whole day in noise. Phones, people, music, traffic. Our brain never gets rest. So I decided I will sit in complete silence for 10 minutes every day. No phone, no music, no talking. Just me, my breathing, and total silence. At first, it felt very awkward. My mind was full of random thoughts like, what's next? Is this working? Why am I doing this? But slowly, I started feeling calm. I noticed how fast my mind usually runs. In that silence, I found peace. One evening, I was sitting quietly in my room, just breathing slowly, and I could actually feel my heartbeat. I realized that I was missing this peaceful time for a long time. Those 10 minutes became my best time, where I could just be myself. Silence taught me to pause, to feel, and to understand myself better. I used to think productivity means doing more, but sometimes the most powerful thing you can do is just sit quietly. Try this. Just 10 minutes of complete silence every day. Sit on your balcony, your bed, or in a park. At first, your mind will not like it, but if you continue, you will find a peace that no phone, no music, no social media can give you. Those 10 minutes will change your whole day. English tip. Awkward. Feeling uncomfortable or strange. Heartbeat. The sound or feeling of your heart. Final thoughts. Small habits, big life changes. So these were my 5 simple habits that changed my life in just 1 week. I was never perfect. I still sometimes go back to my old habits, but this journey is about progress,
not perfection. You can also start with just one habit. Go slowly at your own speed. Even small steps can take you to big success. Tell me in the comments, which habit will you try first? I love hearing your stories. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. It will help them too. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, small habits can bring big results in life. Keep learning English, keep growing. You are awesome. See you in the next video.